See guys, forex is not rocket science, understand? Especially the basics. When it comes to the basics of forex trading, here are the things you just need to know. It's not rocket science. You don't even need to do more research to just know these basic things. What is forex in the first place? Forex is just an acronym, or let me just say a short word for the word foreign exchange. So once you bring it together, it's now what we call forex trading. Foreign exchange, bring it together, forex trading. And what do we do in the forex markets? We trade currencies of nations. That's all we do in the forex market. As you're in Nigeria, if I decide to travel to Ghana, for instance, my Nigerian naira, once I take it to Ghana, it's now useless. This Nigerian naira, you see me here right now. Once I get outside of this border, this is 200 naira, Nigerian naira. Once I get outside of this country, this thing is now a paper. It's useless. So what do I do to make this money useful? Once I get to the other end, I have to exchange this money to the country I'm going to. For instance, let me just say, for instance, I'm traveling from Nigeria to Ghana. Once I reach to Ghana, what I have to do is to change this my naira to Ghanaian cedis. And those people who are helping me to change that money, once I can take 1,000 naira. For instance, the current exchange rate for, let's say, 1,000 naira to Ghanaian cedis is, let's say, 1,000 naira cost is what, like, let's say, 300 Ghana cedis. So immediately I reach there, those people who help me exchange that thing that end up giving me at the rate of 1,000 naira for 250 cedis instead of 300. That 50 cedis is now their profit. In that process, what they are trading is what? Forex. And the forex market is the biggest financial market in the whole world. Yes, that's the biggest financial market with over $6.6 trillion daily liquidity in every 24 hours. It's the largest financial market in the whole world. So here are the basic things you just need to know as a forex trader. First thing first is just what I'm telling you, what you need and what you need to know. The first thing you need to start trading forex is what? MetaTrader 5. You need a trading platform. There are so many trading platforms out there. We have MT4, MetaTrader 4, MatchTrader, DXTrade, CTrader, many other trading platforms. But for this video, which is what majority of traders use and its user is beginner friendly, is what? MetaTrader 5. And that's what I'll be using here. And the second thing you need is what? A trading broker. And what are trading brokers? Trading brokers are the ones who gives you access to the forex market, because you as a retail trader, you have no access to the forex market. So the broker, you need to go through a broker. The broker gives you access to the forex market, provides you with support and what we call leverage in forex trading. They give you leverage because your capital is too small. So they give you what we call leverage, which I'll explain later in this video. They give you what's called leverage, support, and give you access to the forex market. That's what your trading broker do. And what do you need to know? Number one thing, there are 5 basic things you need to know as a forex trader. We have so many things to discuss when it comes to forex trading. We have what's called spread, how to calculate pips, what is lot size, all those things, that trading times and sessions, which I'll just talk briefly about the trading times and sessions we have in the forex market. But for this video, let me just go to the basic and most important things you need to know. Number one thing is what? Your entry price. What is the price you want to enter this market at? For instance, the exchange of 1 naira to dollar right now, let's say just $1 to naira is like 1,000, let's say 1,500 naira. That's it. So you are now giving a trading order that once this price comes at 1,500, I'm buying the USD MGM. So once I buy at this price, I'm expecting the price to go up. For instance, the price moved up from 1,500 naira to 1,510 naira. Do you know that 10 naira gain? Imagine that I have, like, let's say 100,000 units of $1. I have $100,000. That should be 10 naira times 100,000, which should be, do the maths, you know the profits. 100,000 naira. That's the profit I've just made. You understand? That's exactly how easy it is. Your entry price. Then the next thing you need to know is what we call your lot size. Very, 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 very important. In the forex market, I'll show a practical step on how to do all these things. lot size. So your lot size, what is your lot size? That is the amount of contract, the amount of money you need, the amount of transaction you need to purchase. You understand? The lot size, which I'll be showing you in your trading platform, how you can set the lot size, know your lot size, and how much you'll be making or how much you'll be losing if the trade go in your direction or against your direction. What determines that is what we call the lot size and the pips. The number of pips the market move and what your lot size. The third thing you need to know here is what we call the stop loss. The stop loss. What is stop loss? Stop loss is just like a trading order you are giving to your broker, telling them that once this price go, for instance, I bought USD engine at 1,500 naira. If it go below, I'm expecting the price to rise because I'm buying. So if the price go below, let's say 1,490 naira, I'm at loss. You understand? I can set my stop loss that once it reaches this point, whether I'm online or not, close that trade for me at a loss. That's what we call stop loss in forex trading. And the fourth thing, the fourth thing, yes, is what we call your TP, which is what your take profits. Take profit is just like the opposite of stop loss. Stop loss is a trading order given to your forex broker that once this market reaches here, close the trade for me at a loss. What take profit is once the market goes in my direction to this level, take my profit whether I'm online or not. That's what take profit also mean in the forex market. And also what we call trading times and sessions. You need to understand trading times and trading sessions. We have 4 basic trading times and sessions in the forex market. The first session is what? The Sydney session, and that session represents Australia and the country within. The second session we have in the forex market is what? The Tokyo session, and that session represents Australia and that country within that area. And the third session we have in the forex market is what? The London session, and that session represents the European territory, that area. Although we also have another session we call the Frankfurt session, but it's not so popular, you understand. And finally, we have what? The New York session, which represents the American session, which is the most volatile, which is considered the most volatile session in the forex market. So understanding times and sessions is also important for you as a forex trader. Number 1, your entry price. Number 2, your lot size. Number 3, your stop loss. Number 4, your take profit. And number 5, trading times and sessions. Once you master these things, see, forex is crazy simple, and I'll be showing you practical steps on how to set your lot size, set your take profit, set your stop loss and your entry price right here in this video. So let me just go straight and show you the practical aspect of this thing using my broker BTC Dana. So guys, here's just exactly how to go about these things. Like I said in this video, the first thing you need is your entry price, the lot size, stop loss, take profits, and just have an idea of the trading session you are in, which is not too important for you as a trader. So the first thing now is the entry price. For instance, I want to trade Euro USD, or someone sent me a signal on Euro USD. Once I click on it, you can see this place where they said what? New order. New order. That is where you click on new order. For instance, I want to buy Euro USD here. So right here is your lot size. That is what you call your lot size, and your lot size will determine how much you'll be making. Your lot size and how many pips the market moves will determine how much you made or how much you are going to lose if the trade goes against you. This thing right here is very, 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 very important to know and understand as a trader. Lot size. Understand what I mean by lot size. I'll do a separate video on how to calculate and understand lot size properly, and what we call pips and how to calculate pips. That's for lot size. Then right here is what we call SL, as you can see, and right here TP. This place is what where you input your stop loss, which is a trading order that you are giving to your trading broker, telling them that once price gets here, whether I'm online or not, just help me close my loss. And right here is what your TP, which is take profits. Once price get there, help me collect my profit for me. That's TP for you. So here's where you input your lot size. Here is your stop loss. Here is where you input your lot size, here is your stop loss, and here is your take profits. And once you do that, you click on buy or sell. That's just exactly how to trade on these things. There's nothing hard here. For instance, I want to buy Euro USD now. Let me look at the charts. Let's say I want to buy Euro USD at 1.157. I'll place my stop loss here, 1.555, and let's say my take profit here. So what do I do now? I head over to this place. For MT5, I can use this area here. I can just use that area. Okay, once I click there, you can see buy or sell, or I can literally click this area and just go for no, let me just go back, click on Euro USD, new order, then I put my stop loss 1.555 and take profit, let's say 1.6, then I click on buy. Oh, sorry, my stop loss is invalid because I put it, so my stop loss make a 1.155 and my take profit is 1.16, okay, 1.155. Let's go again. I click on Euro USD, new order, stop loss 1.1555, then take profit 1.6, buy. So let's head over to the chart. As you can see, here's it. And let's say you did a mistake, you want to modify the order, that is, you want to correct some mistakes after you've taken a trade. Go back to the trade, swipe it by the right. As you can see, once you swipe it by the right, then you choose this pencil sign here, that pencil sign there. Once you click on it, then I can modify the order to, let's say, 1.16, modified, and you can see right here, this is how much you are risking and this is your take profits. That's just how simple this thing is. There's no much thing here. And if you find this helpful, please, you know the right thing to do.